Want to know how to clear context or clear memory of your Dola bot? Well, no worries. So if you have any bots and if you want to clear out their memory, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear out your memories in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first thing first, you can just simply open up your Dola application or the website itself. So simply head towards dola.com or just open up the Dola application on your mobile phone or your web browser. The choice is yours. So once you open that, on the left side you should be seeing this AI bots right here. This is just like that. And now once you target your AI bots, here you should be seeing various bots that you can choose from. So if you have already added it to your chat, you should be showing something like this, and there should be chat history as well. So what you can do is you can just simply select their name right here, and once you select that, here you should be seeing clear context. So you can just simply select that, and now your context will be cleared and all of your memories will be deleted. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.